Crypto. It's the blockchain boss. Yes, you're hustling, homie. And I know it's been a while since I left you without a dope beat to step to, but the crypto market this bear market has been very, very serious. And so I've been just doing other things, but I see that the market is beginning to turn around. So the question is a Bitcoin bull run happening right now? Is this the transition that we've all been looking for? Is the price about to start going back up to the moon? And I want to address that really quick. So first and foremost, what we have noticed is within the last 2 weeks, right now today, the price of Bitcoin is about $5,200. Just went up literally from $3,500 within the last few days. And in fact, April the 2nd is when the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CME, just recently had, I think it was about $500 million of institutional money came into the, so I think it was the futures market, I believe. I'm going to double check that, guys. But what I do know for sure, though, is that CME is now making it much easier for institutional money to be able to access crypto very, very easy. So now this is a good and a bad thing. This could definitely contribute to the hype Bitcoin prices and cryptocurrency prices going up. The bad thing is it could decrease some of the volatility when you start getting a lot of money into it at one time. But that's a whole nother topic that we can get into. Just a little extra information for you to keep in mind. And I still think that's probably a big reason for the pump is that. Now, do I think that this is a real deal pump that we're going to keep going up? I don't think this is it now. We do look at the charts and we can see that Litecoin has doubled in price. We also will see Ethereum has doubled in price as well over the past 14 days. So those are two to look out for as well. Also keep in mind when people are buying Litecoin and Ethereum, most people are still buying through Bitcoin first. So that is a cause for Bitcoin price to go up. So that's something to consider, as you're making your decision. But keep in mind that I really feel like that when you look at the past charts, what you'll notice during these bear and bull markets with Bitcoin is that whenever we're at the bottom, let's say at 3,500, if that's the bottom, typically when the bull run is over, the bear run is over, the prices don't automatically just shoot straight up and just go to the moon. Usually there'll be a stable price right above the bottom. And we could be there now at 5,200. We might be there at 7,000, maybe the price where it kind of remains stable. I believe last time there was a long bear market like this, that prices were stable right above the bottom for, I think, almost 600 days. So now when we look, and this was a little bit before 2017, right? I believe this was 2013 through up until the beginning of 2017. So I think overall this, and before the prices really begin to go nuts and go crazy, I think we still need to see some advances in the technology to make it way more accessible, not just to the average person, because that's mass. That's like when we're at the $1 billion, over a few billion, a few $1 trillion level. But I still think the technology does need to catch up in terms of security on how people are protecting their wallets and their coins. Because when we see $500 million come into the market, which is a drop in the bucket, that's great. But these institutions, I think, are going to really flood their money in once we have technology that's really user friendly for the institutions and things that are utility based. And so until we start really seeing that, I don't think the market is going to really go crazy. But I will tell you this as we conclude, because this is all about the money. How do you stack? How do you get them coins, cash flow, and stack it? Right now, I feel like the people that are making money are the people that are trading it on foreign exchange. If you are using MetaTrader 4 or some form of trading, if you're buying right now or you're putting in trades, you're doing you're buying and selling, that's where you can still make your money off of that volatility, because ultimately at $5,200 for Bitcoin alone, or even Litecoin and Ethereum, it's a strong possibility that these joints could go down at over 1%. We can see a drop in them. So that's where your money, you can still be able to make money, whether the market goes up or down, is really still in the foreign exchange market. So, that's where I would be looking if I'm really looking to make some money. But again, this is just me talking. And remember, I'm not a financial financial advisor, so you got to do your own due diligence when you make your moves. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you how I would think and look at things. So, but overall, I think this is good for crypto. I want to tell you guys this too. I got the Blockchain Boss musical album is about to officially drop. So follow me on all music streaming platforms. That's Dr. Jackson 360, Dr. Jackson 360. Also follow this YouTube page as well, or you can follow my musical page, which is Dr. Jackson 360. That Blockchain Boss album is amazing, and I just want to appreciate all of you guys that are supporting it and supporting the movement. And I'll be seeing y'all in the future, man. Let's really, just be smart about how we invest. And this time around, when those people are investing, don't just invest because you're looking to speculate and make money. Really do your research. Understand the technology. And also I want to encourage you guys, if you're a young person looking to learn, figure out how you can be a developer in this market to really help the market grow, and even in a security aspect to help people either get more privacy or protect their money, because that's a huge issue right now. So with that being said, I am the Blockchain Boss, crypto, and I'm gonna look forward to see you in the future. Peace.